Nike isn't just a sneaker company. They've built a system that makes customers come back again and again. And their secret weapon is their mobile app. While most brands waste money chasing new customers, Nike has cracked the code on retention. And their app is a massive reason why. Today, we're breaking down exactly how Nike turns app users into repeat buyers and what you can learn from their strategy. Here's the brutal truth. Most e-commerce brands focus way too much on customer acquisition, running expensive ads, optimizing conversion rates, and trying to land that first sale. But the thing is, acquiring a new customer is 5 times more expensive than keeping an existing one. And if you don't have a system to bring customers back, you're in a constant cycle of high ad costs and low margin. And here's where Nike flips that script. Instead of focusing on getting new customers, they invest heavily in keeping them engaged. And their mobile app is the key to that strategy. Firstly, they have exclusive drops and early access. Nike made their app a must-have for sneakers. If you want access to limited edition Jordans or collabs that they do, you can't just shop on their website. You need their app. They force you to download. This taps into FOMO and exclusivity, making users download the app and stay engaged, always checking for the next drop. So what's the lesson? If you want to increase app downloads and retention, offer exclusive perks, freebies, only inside of your app. Push notifications that drive action is point 2. Because most e-commerce brands rely on email to bring customers back. Nike doesn't play that game. They use push notifications strategically, not just for discounts, but for exclusive product launches. They've got personalized recommendations, reminders to complete purchases, and they use other intelligent notifications. So instead of hoping customers return, they proactively re-engage them, nurture them. This is how they keep the app from being deleted and keep their customers hooked. So the lesson here is push notifications, when done right, can be more powerful than email. And the key is to make them personalized and high value. Point 3 is around AI-powered personalization. Because Nike doesn't show the same homepage to everyone. Their app tracks your behavior, what shoes you should browse, and what even sizes you buy, and even your fitness goals and other things. And it curates a shopping experience just for you. This means that every time you open the Nike app, it's showing you exactly what you're most likely to buy. This reduces our decision fatigue to buy and increases conversion rates. So the real lesson here is to leverage data to personalize that shopping experience when customers feel like the app understands them, because everyone wants to feel seen, heard, and understood. They also gamify and use community to their advantage, because Nike's app isn't just a store, it's an entire ecosystem. They've built the Nike Run Club, where users track their runs and their workouts. They've got the Nike Training Club, which gives personalized fitness programs. And they've also got the social experience, where people can join challenges, unlock rewards, and compete as well. This really turns that one-time shopper into a long-term user. And if you're training with Nike, you're tracking your workouts with Nike, and you're competing with friends in Nike, well, guess what? You're more likely to buy Nike products. And what's the lesson here? The best brands don't just sell products, they create experiences. Gamification keeps customers engaged well beyond just the shopping. And the result is, to be honest, Nike app is a money printing machine. So how well does this actually work? Well, here's what happened when Nike doubled down on their mobile app. Now 50% of their total online sales now come from their app. Their app users spend 3 times more time on the app than the website. And Nike's DTC, direct to consumer, hit $5 billion for the first time. And the best part, they didn't have to increase ad spend at all to do this. They just maximized the customers they already had, because the easiest people to sell to are those you've already sold to. So what can we learn from this? What can you do in your e-commerce store? Because Nike's success isn't an accident. Their app is a masterclass in customer retention and driving up LTV. And here's what any e-commerce brand can take away from this. You've got to make your app essential. Give customers a reason to download it. Exclusive app perks, VIP access. You've got to use push notifications smartly. You got to remind them, not annoy them. And you got to personalize everything. AI and data can leverage that experience to make the customer feel heard, seen, and understood. And you really create this community for retention and engagement. Because Nike isn't just selling products. They've built an LTV machine. And the brands that figure this one out, they're the brands that are going to win.